Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to integrate Trello with Discord. So, first thing that you will do, guys, is simply go ahead and go to one of your boards that you want to integrate your Trello with. And now from here, you should be able to see here the Power Ups button. So, just simply select this one, and after that, just simply select Add Power Ups. And after that, you should be able to see here the search bar on the left side. So just simply provide over here this chord, and now you should be able to see here these chord notifications. So just simply click on it, and after that you should be able to see here some information on how this will work. So you could just simply connect your Trello board to your Discord server to stay up to date with the cards and list changes, and just simply choose the board's events you want to be notified and a channel on your Discord server. So just simply click on add and click on add over here. And after that, you could just simply go to your board again over here on the left side. And after that, go for the power ups. And now make sure this is turned on. And you can just simply go for the settings and go for authorize account. And after that, just simply go ahead and click on this one, authorize. Now from here, you should be able to see here this pop up. And after that, just simply scroll down, or you could just simply, and now from here, guys, just simply make sure you have the correct name and username, and you can switch the account over here if it's not correct. And after that, just simply scroll down, guys, and from here you should be able to see all of the information that comes with this power up, and just simply click on allow. And after that, just simply wait for it to load up, and you will have here the Discord notification settings. So from here, you could just simply select a server and click on connect a server. And after that, just simply go ahead and log in into your Discord account. And from here, just simply sign in into your Discord account and click on log in. And after that, just simply select a server, and after that, just simply click on continue. And from here, you should be able to confirm that you want to grant the Trello notification. So it's either be send messages or use application commands. So this will be depending on you, and click on authorize and click on this one. And after that, just simply wait for it. And you should be able to select your server now. And you should be able to select a channel as well. And from here, you could toggle on which notification that you want to receive. And after that, you could just simply click on save to finish it off. And from there, you should be able to integrate it with the Trello. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.